What makes them good?
Just here, just if only if you knew, you knew, man. So Randy's Koenigsegg is here, and they did the upgraded superchargers on it. We're putting a Boden exhaust, and we're also going to be dyno tuning it. So factory, these machines make 806 horsepower, I believe. I could be wrong. And with the twin supercharger upgrade, it should be rated at 1200 to the crank. So to the wheels, we'll find out. All we know is it's going to be really fast. And as we know, Randy's probably going to do the nastiest burnouts you can think about. Brain, think. Does anyone know that reference?
Come on, think. Brain blast!
Jimmy Neutron.
Oh.
Ew, it's stuck.
Huh. That is interesting, right? I'm just here to make things go fast.
Sound cool.
Yeah. All right, this will be the only time I'll have the chance to cut something on a Koenigsegg.
And out.
It's like almost out, but I can't even spin it by hand. That's over. It looks like we gotta undo these bolts here, 3, 6, and then this strap is on this brace, which is on this side. If I'm not mistaken, then we can take this out, and then we can flip it upside down, and you guys can see how bad this is. Okay, why? I'm gonna laugh at the guy, because look, that's a 10 mil. Look how loose that is.
Ingenuity.
Ingenuity, thank you.
Toyota.
I'm gonna put my head in your camera.
Alright, do it. Sounds evil.
Why are people trying to make other people's lives harder? Okay. Look at this. Look how nice this is now. Boom. What's up, Cody? What's going on, my car?
Yeah, what happened here?
Look underneath it. All up. Remove the mufflers with the cats and put it all back together, and they covered their. There's nothing.
Anything here. Guess so.
I think we found the leak.
What happened? You found the leak.
Then before I take this off, I should really. It's literally the smallest diameter thing I got. I might be able to make some sort of contraption.
I have a small one in my car.
And you keep justifying it because you're like, I need it. How am I gonna get the job done if I don't get these tools?
What
What if the tool breaks and then I cheaped out on not the right tool? And if a situation like this, like if you're ever stuck, at least you know that you have the tool in your toolbox. The worst thing is being stuck and not being able to finish a job, not being able to get paid. Customer's not happy. No.
Easy.
It looked easy. Still easier than McLaren.
You're right.
I'm starting to notice it, Camilo. I see all those welds and stuff.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have noticed that.
Some are cross-threaded, some are broken, some are not broken. The springs are set up in the wrong positioning, so it makes it impossible for you to get back there and
Right.
it gets off. If I could find the guy who did this, small chat. We're just gonna sit down and talk. How can we make this better, Omar?
What if we just take out the engine?
Step 1, remove exhaust. Step 2, remove engine. Yeah, hold on. Whoa. Okay, we're ready. I think we're ready.
Put it on that.
This car's worth more than my life, your life, all of our life put together. We screw this car up, we're all disappearing. You think someone with a
What is this? What is this built for?
1.5 mil?
Really?
Double check behind it. Part 2, ready?
That's it. Jesus. Oh, this thing looks like it's been modified.
Yeah, a 5-year-old.
It doesn't look right. I mean, they got the whole bottom cut off and something.
Right, look at that corner.
Oh my god.
You guys see these welds? In this one? That's a factory weld. Right. You see how it's even and precise? Then you look at that. That is what they kind of memed. It was just like, I have a friend that welds and they just like pile up and pile up and pile up. That right there is what we're talking about. That is, I just think it is insane. On $1 million car. And as you can tell here, this was the side that had the exhaust leak. As you know, whenever you have black sud, look how big the exhaust leak was all the way around. On this side, you can tell it's a little cleaner. It wasn't bad on this side at all. But, yeah. Wonderful.
Good to get this thing off the car.
Yeah.
He's like, let me see it.
I don't want to touch it. Somehow the keys fell and it is standing up on the actual key in the crack. I don't know.
I heard you guys yelling. I was like, whoa, what's going on? I started running.
Wouldn't you yell?
No, you yelled or someone yelled.
Wouldn't you?
Oh, yeah, I would.
I don't. Should we touch it? I'm scared now. I thought we get cursed.
Dude, that's crazy.
I'm either blessed or cursed. Should we go play the lottery?
Yes. That's crazy.
That is. What are the odds of that?
That's how we do it, though.
Alright, I'm gonna put $1,000 on the lottery tonight. It's a mess right now because we've been focusing on the shop. We'll be focusing on here soon. But it's pretty much a 40-foot shipping container that we epoxied, insulated the walls, framed, and everything. And it's gonna have lighting, AC, so our inventory, our customer parts are gonna stay in here. And maybe my office. I wanna stay away from everybody.
He said, Camilla, what is this? Who made this?
Boden Auto House made this.
Oh yeah.
For Randy, for his Koenigsegg. Nice piece, ceramic coated. Yeah. A million times better than that.
Absolutely. Yeah, I mean,
I think just no exhaust, a million times better than that.
That was horrible. I can't believe that somebody actually packed it up and put it in.
Yeah, so.
It's good to get that off. But this looks really nice, man. This thing really should slip right in here, really.
Yeah, I gotta take those springs off on there, I'm assuming. And then it should mount right on and we should be done.
Excellent.
The only thing I don't know is what this is for right here. This little square, because that goes right here.
I mean, just kidding. I don't know what you're doing, but you look super focused.
I'm just trying to get this goddamn way.
Turbo noises.
We had an idea. Were you here with that? Okay, Cody. So you know how we have like not the best language?
No.
Yeah, perfect. See what I mean? If we added turbo noises for every time we said a bad word in the videos. So every time someone said fuck, it goes psh. Work on cars, man. It's like two mixes of people. The only thing with the add we found in the military. Jesus. Am I in the hole? I've had solutions to problems. That's what I've done. We finally have the stock modified exhaust removed. I'm washing my hands so we can put the Boden exhaust on. Tomorrow I gotta find new donut gaskets and brand new hardware for it, and then we can turn it on and go from there. Huh.
Nice. She dropped right in.
No, she didn't.
Nope. What didn't fit?
Can you guys see the extension pieces right here? From the headers to the...
Yeah,
I was just looking at them.
They're modified. I wonder if that 1 millimeter movement there can be 5 millimeters over here.
I was thinking you loosen those and see if she'll settle down and bring that angle into the way.
Millimeter movement there, 10 feet back.
Right.
The piping can be 5 to 10 millimeters difference. And obviously the most important thing of an exhaust is tip placement. Tip placement is not flush and straight, and it's like this.
It's almost like this part of it needs to be lowered. You're like this whole, in order to get that to pivot the way you want it,
Yeah.
this has to go down.
Look at that, this piece is dangling. I'm gonna try something. I lift this. So, at the end of the day today, we got the factory exhaust off Randy's CCX. We have the new Boden exhaust mounted up. The only problem is I need new hardware, so in the morning I'm gonna go out, get some new hardware, finish putting the exhaust in, check clearances, might have to loosen up the pipe that goes from the exhaust to the headers to get everything seated properly, and then from there we will go onto data logging and tuning the vehicle, and then I want to also do an inspection on the car to make sure everything's tip-top shape before we put on the dyno. And that's what we got for today.